Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into next week. So summarizing today's movement, just from a trading terminology point of view, this is what would be known as a gap and trap. Maybe you're not familiar with that term, but all that means is on Thursday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened right there. So hence the gap, and to be specific, a gap up. And then after the market opened up, the price moved up, up, up. Some poor souls were buying up around here. And then after that, it was all bears the remainder of the day. So like I said, today in and of itself is a gap and trap. And really going into next week, the big question is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? I'm not going to call it a pump and dump right now because, that's not fair. That's not quite accurate of what's going on, because you got to give some credit where credit's due. And the fact of the matter is the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base if the price can stay up above 278. Now, let's say that doesn't happen. So in other words, let's say that the price comes down to 278 and then just continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price right back at its lows. And that would be the epitome of a pump and dump. I mean, a price that makes a great move up and then all of a sudden goes right back to where it was. Now, I'm not saying that'll be the case, and that hasn't happened, because on the flip side of things, maybe something like this happens. Price comes down here, behaves like that, and then begins to work its way back upwards. And at least at that point in time, you'd have a situation where you'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress in my mind is at 278 mark. So 278, very, very important level going into next week. So let's see if the price can stay above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.